In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your workflow using Clickup automations. Whether you're new to Clickup or just looking to enhance your productivity, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to streamline your tasks, making your work processes more efficient and stress-free. Let's get started. First, navigate to Clickup's website, known as the Everything app for work. You'll find this app to be a comprehensive solution for managing your projects and tasks in one place. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login portal where you'll next select Sign in with Google. It's a quick way to access your account through Google's secure authentication service. Once prompted, choose the Google account associated with your ClickUp profile. After you've successfully logged in, locate and select the list you'd like to automate. Lists in Clickup serve as containers for your tasks, and automating them can drastically reduce manual entry and oversight. With your desired list open, you should see an Automations button. Click on this to open Clickup's automation menu. Inside the automation menu, you'll see various options to customize workflows. Start by opening Set Custom Field, which allows you to designate unique fields tailored to your project's needs. Configuring fields can customize how information is stored, or actions are triggered based on specific criteria. Next, click on Change Assignees within the automation options. This functionality lets you automatically update the responsible party for a task as conditions change, saving you the time and potential miscommunication of manual updates. Click Select a User to designate who will be assigned automatically. You can assign tasks to yourself or to a team member, depending on your team's structure and task requirements. Finally, any changes or configurations you make will culminate in you needing to select Create to save the automation. Once set up, this automation will seamlessly handle task assignments or field updates as you work through your project's lifecycle, freeing you to focus on more strategic aspects of your work. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your productivity with ClickUp automations. By setting up these automations, you'll be able to maintain a clearer overview of your projects and save valuable time, which can be redirected towards achieving your goals more efficiently. Don't hesitate to further explore ClickUp's wide range of capabilities as you grow more comfortable with automations. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.